I want to show you in this video 3 strategies for discovering profitable Solana wallets to copy. I've already made a video on how to locate and copy Solana wallets using TradeWiz. This video is a follow-up. I also review my results from the previous copy trades that I did. And if copy trading is not for you, you can learn how to trade and receive trade signals from my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box. We offer classes 3 times a week. Now, the 3 platforms we're going to look at for wallets are Dune Analytics, Bird Eyes, and Dexscreener. So we're going to look for 3 wallets from this platform, copy them for a week to see how well they perform, starting with Dune Analytics. So go to dune.com and in the search box type Solana. You see Solana Alpha wallet signal for copy trading. Click on it. Now you're going to see some top wallets from Trojan Alpha Wallet. You see that from BullX and from Photon Alpha Wallet. So this particular section is just showing you profitable wallets. Now, so let's take this first one for example. This is the amount spent in buying token. This is the amount realized from selling. This is the ROI. Win rate is 0, probably because maybe the wallets, send the token from another wallet to sell. Then this is a profit. You can see the link to analyze it on SourceScan. Number of trades 11. Day trading 3 days. The first trade happened on the 24th of September and the last trade happened on the 26th of September. And of course, this is the wallet address. Now, what I like to do is I like to look at wallets that took trades today and have very few trades. Like, I don't want to take wallets that have so many trades, few trades, and are recent. So if I click on say ROI, it's going to sort this whole page by ROI, basically giving me the wallet with the most win. Like this wallet turned $14 to $3,948. In the past 4 days, it has had 27 trade, which is reasonable, and the last trade was yesterday, which is the 26th. So what I could do is to come here and copy this wallet address and conduct further analysis on it. And the platform I'm going to use to conduct more analysis on it is actually TradeWiz. So again, open TradeWiz, just paste the wallet address into it. It's going to analyze the wallet address and bring you some results. So these are the results, more details than what is given on Dune Analytics. The PNL is 389, 70% win trade, 103 trades has taken place, and single buy is average at $129 per trade. You can see the wins 77, 83%, and all that, and I've not seen losses. Now, I personally don't like copying wallets that have little gains like 3.5%, 4%, and all that, because the transaction fee will basically swallow the gains you're having. So you want to look for wallets that are having 50% in profit upwards. I can click on last 24 hours to see how well the wallet has fared within the past 24 hours. So that is that for this wallet. I can choose to analyze the next wallet, turn $15 to $1,000. This is the percentage. Let me go ahead and copy this wallet, and I will do the same thing. Take it to TradeWiz, paste that wallet here, and go through the analysis. This wallet has actually made losses here in the past 24 hours. You can see the wallet is not really profitable. So this is what I'm going to continue doing. I'm going to continue sifting through these wallets and testing them on TradeWiz to see the wallet that actually reckons well with me. And when I find a wallet that I like to do further analysis on that wallet. I do that by going to Pulse Tracker Sol. For example, the very first wallet that we analyzed, I'm going to copy it and paste it into Pulse Tracker Sol bot. What it does is that it analyzes it differently. Win rate 54%, return on investment is 3%, profit is $146. Buy and sell. So this actually gives me more like a better insight into how that wallet has performed. number of token bought, number sold, unique addresses, unrealized profits, average trade 595 minutes. You can see the shortest and the longest trade, average buy amount, average win rate, average loss return. Past 20 wins, 20 of them just did above 0%. Past 20 losses, you can see the breakdown of all this. So this wallet from this particular bot is not a good wallet to copy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead to analyze more of this wallets here and to look for a wallet that works best for me. So after researching Dune Analytics, I found two wallets that are decently okay, which I'm going to copy. So the next way to find a profitable wallet is through birdeye.so. So on birdeye.so, what I'm going to click, I'm going to choose Solana, then I'm going to click under profitable traders. I'll click view more and choose today. What this does is to give me a list of profitable wallets today and top gainers, top losers. There are some wallets that will have the bot icon. So when it has the bot icon, I will not bother myself with copying that particular wallet because it's gonna have unreasonably high transaction and it won't be worth copying. Some doesn't have the bot icon like this one, but the transaction are actually high. It has done 176,000 trades in 24 hours today alone. So that is just crazy high. So I'm looking for wallets with few transactions. Like you can see this one, 3, 4, 10. These are reasonable. Okay, 19 could be reasonable for the day, but 50 for me is high. 165 is high. I'm just looking for a wallet like this. So what I would do is to do the same thing. So you can see the PNL of this wallet as well, what they have made and the transaction volume. So what I would do is do the same thing. Come here, for example, for this one with 10, I'm going to copy it and still go to TradeWiz. TradeWiz is just basically where you do your analysis. It's good to combine it with Pulse Trader or Sol Wallet Analyzer to see the kind of profit is made. So I pasted that wallet on TradeWiz. So this is the result I'm getting. In the past 7 days, it's basically made 3 trades, and which is the same number of trading made today. Again, I like to go further by going to Pulse to paste the wallet address there. But the thing with Pulse Trader is that you can analyze more than 3 wallets a day with a free version. You need a pro version to do that. So have that in mind. It's either you pay for that to just only analyze 3 wallets a day and come back the next day to do your more analysis. So this wallet has 3 tokens in it that is received. There is a lot of manipulation with this token, so it is not worth copying. So I want to analyze the wallet with 3 trades, or with 4 trades rather. So even though this wallet only has 4 trades, when I put it here to analyze, it says unable to analyze wallets, barely because it has no transaction of high frequency trading or possible correct address. So of course the address is not correct. It must just be the other 2. I'll move ahead to this number 4. I'll go ahead and do all this and come back to you. So after analyzing all the wallets here, I didn't see a wallet that is good enough to copy based on the criteria that are set. So I won't be copying any of them. So you can just check the next day. And why I say this, because yesterday when I was checking this, I actually saw some very good wallets, but today, according to my analysis, none of them is good to copy. So we just move straight to number 3, the third strategy to look at a wallet. How you do this one is you go straight to Dexscreener. So on Dexscreener, I'm going to apply some filters here because I'm looking for a coin that has a market cap from say 150,000 to 900,000. I'm looking for something that is less than $1 million. I'm looking for liquidity that is not less than 70,000. So I'm going to click on apply. The next thing I do is that I'm looking for a coin that in the past 24 hours that has done at least 3x, 300%. So this one actually meets the criteria I'm looking for. You can see that the first coin has a market cap of 828, liquidity 120, and in the past 24 hours it has done 1000%. Another thing I should look for is the coin age should be within 24 hours. Now you can trade a coin that is over 24 hours. It might actually give you better results, but it takes a lot of time to research. So let's go with this first one. I'm going to click on it. So what I'm interested in is where the coin did some consolidation before it pumped. So you can see this coin here, it did some consolidation before it pumped. Here it did some consolidation, here consolidation before pumping, and even here. So I can decide to look for wallets that bought in this section. From this section you can see that this coin did 95%, almost 100%. I did 100% from this section. Early buyers from here, this coin from here did 400% from here. That is a 4x. So what I would do is I'm going to look for people that bought in this range. So people that bought between here and, let me change the chart to a 1 minute chart. So I'm looking for people that bought in this deep. So between here and here, who are the people that purchased in this region? Because this is where it took off from. Those might be insider wallets. So what I would then do is I'm going to copy the contract address of this token, go to Bird Eye. I'm going to search for that token. Then I'm going to scroll down and click on Find Trades. Then I'll click on More Filters. Scroll down, I'm looking for the time. So from to go back to Dexscreener, I'm looking for those who bought from, this is 21:20 to 21:58. So 21:20 on the 26th to 21:58. So now this is where the work began. What I would do is, again, these are all the wallets that bought. I will analyze all the wallets that bought one by one to see if their other trades have been profitable beside this particular one, to see if their other trades have been profitable. If they're profitable, I'll go ahead and copy that particular wallet. So again, I'm going to use TradeWiz to analyze this wallet and also Pulse Tracker Soul. I will do the analysis and then continue with the video. So I ended up getting some wallet address after doing a lot of searches. I've already shown you how to actually copy this trade. If you don't know how to do that, just watch my previous video. What I want to do right now is to show you the result of the last copied trade that I made. So like I said, on TradeWiz, just click /start to get to the top of the chart anytime. So I copied 3 wallets the last time. Like I said, you have to do a lot of testing to find out the wallet that is actually doing well. Now if I click on copy trades, it's going to show me 3 wallets that I've been copying. The ones in orange are the ones that I paused because they were making a lot of losses. One that I got from Dexscreener, if I click on it, it simply shows me how well this wallet did. My PNL, well, it's actually positive $2, but the thing is that I was losing money in transaction fee basically. If I go to the other one and click on this smart contract, the one I got through smart contract, you can do it, you can watch that video again. You can see for this one, this is where I lost money from actually, because you can see I lost $11 from its transaction, and that is why I went ahead and paused it. Then the other one is this TradeWiz, the one given to me by the TradeWiz smart contract. If I click on it, you can see I made $7 from this particular wallet since I made that video. It has made some positive trade, it has also made some negative trades. So if I want to see the general performance of my wallet, go to the beginning, click on view records. I will see here the general performance of my wallet. So what I'm doing basically is to try to filter out the very poor performing wallets till I get the right wallet. So finding consistently profitable wallets requires testing. That is why I recommend starting with a small amount to minimize risk. Once you find a wallet that performs well, then you can scale. The reward can be significant. In an upcoming video, I will go over how to apply risk management strategies using tradeways to maximize the profits of profitable wallets and minimize the risk of less profitable wallets. So make sure you're subscribed. I will also leave the link in the description once that video is ready. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried any of these strategies, and don't forget to check out my Telegram channel for trade signals and live trading sections.